Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys, because on this channel we discuss about various ways on how to make money online. So in today's video we're going to be talking about this website right here, and it's called Interactive Broker. So what is the work of Interactive Broker? So this is a broker that lets you trade stock, forex, and any other financial market guys, whether it is bond, crypto, and everything guys. So Interactive Broker lets you trade all that. So now let's explore the website together. As you can see here, it says trade you can see here, trade your prediction on political, economic, and climate events. So you can see all these things here. You see power meets simplicity. So now let's scroll down. You can see here, it says professional pricing. So commission starting at $0, low margin rates, high interest paid, and stock yield enhancement. And the next one here says global assets, which means invest globally in stocks, options, futures, currencies, bond, and funds from a single unified platform. As you can see, the next one here says premier technology. Here says IBKR's power suite of technology helps you optimize your trading speed and efficiency and perform sophisticated portfolio analysis. So all these things are available on Interactive Broker. And the last one here says strength and security. So your money is secure, you don't need to be scared. As you can see here, it says $18.5 billion in equity capital, automated risk control, all assets marked to market daily, rated A, outlook stable by Standard and Poor's. So as you can see here, award-winning platform and services. So these are the award these websites have. So as you can see here, it says experience professional trading pricing. So I think we've gone through all these things up there. So now let's go here, let's check to why IBKR. So we should know how IBKR is different from other brokers out there. So as you can see here, it says global market access, discover more opportunity. You see a client in over 200 countries. So that's a lot of people using Interactive Broker. And it says and territory trade stock, option, futures, currencies, bond, fund, and more on 160 global markets from a single unified platform. Explore all available products worldwide. You see everything, like more than 160 global market, everything are available on Interactive Broker. As you can see here, it says view global markets, fund your account, and trade assets in 28 currencies. You see, here says learn about account funding. So scan the world for investment opportunities with a world map screener and the world data screener. So all these things are available on Interactive Broker. So now let's go to the pricing section. You see here, pricing section, it has a lot of options. See commissions, margin rate, and everything, but let's check out commission. So now as you can see here, this is the commission tab. So now let's go down. So let's go to this section right here. So as you can see here, options here says 15 cents to 65 cents per contract on the commission. See futures 25 cents to 85 cents per contract. Spot currency 0.08 cents to 20 cents. So basis points times trade value per order. You can see here bond is 10 basis points times face value per order, and the mutual fund is 3%, trade up to $14.95 per contract, US 0 on no transaction fee fund. So you can enjoy this option guys if you use Interactive Broker. So that will be all for our video guys. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you next time.